Hello friends, a very warm welcome to you all in this video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a compound light microscope along with its camera. So this compound light microscope is of Motic company. This video I'm making because when I was going to use the camera microscope for the first time, I could not find any video on YouTube for this particular company. So let us begin. First of all, I have placed the slide. There is a computer system attached to this microscope for camera. So here is the slide placed. Next we have to turn on the switch of the microscope. This switch will turn on the light just below the condenser lens. So this is a binocular eyepiece. There is the knob. This knob is used for changing the position of slide holder from left to right or from right to left. There is another knob which will move the slide holder backward and forward. So there are these two knobs for adjusting the position of the slide on the platform. I have used 40x lens. Objective lens is 40x. So let us see how it is looking in the eyepiece. You need to make adjustments using the adjustment knobs. So this adjustment knob is used to adjust the distance between objective lens and the slide. You will have to see through the eyepiece for the exact or correct position of the slide. I am using that adjustment knob. So this is the slide of blue-green algae, which you also call cyanobacteria. Now coming to the software for camera. So there is this software, Motic Images Plus version 3.0. Double click on it to open the software. Now there is this option of image, live image. You have to click on it. Then go to the microscope. Pull out this knob. There is a switch for the camera at the back side here, the power button. There are various ports in this camera, so you will have to turn on the power button to start using this camera, the microscope camera. Press it. You will see the green bulb glowing, which means that the camera is now on. Now let's see the screen. What is there? Yeah, so this is what kept in the slide. This is visible now. Now you can make the adjustment because that slide is too crowded. I did not took much effort for preparing a good slide because it was only for demonstration purpose. So once again, just see how the camera is turned on. After turning the power button, you check that bulb is glowing green. Now this is the image. So you have more options for getting a better image, which you can keep in your thesis or in your PowerPoint presentation. You have to capture the image, so this option you will be using. Once you click it, one image will be captured, which you can keep in your thesis or in your PowerPoint presentation whenever you are delivering your seminar in PhD or master. Using this knob, you can focus different areas of your slide on the platform, so you can capture different images in the camera. I hope this video helps you guys. I missed the video for using Motic Compound Light Microscope, so I thought I would upload it for anybody who is seeking help in the beginning. Thank you so much for watching.